Hey, Neveln! Neveln? Neveln Elementary School. Hey, it's y'all. Hey. Do you remember me? I'm Mr. Brown. I didn't come to your school. I came to Ellis, and you met me at Ellis Middle School. But you're Neveln. But do you remember our fun assembly?
Yo, hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown.
Hello, Neveln Elementary School. Hey, we did have a great time. That was a clip from one of the assemblies, although we did 2 assemblies for your school. I had a great time, and thank you for participating and listening. And hopefully you remember what we talked about. When you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah. If you don't remember, whenever I say choose well, you say, oh yeah, let's try it again. So choose well. Oh yeah. Hey, the assembly was great, and I hope you remember we talked about the choices, but especially this one. I am responsible for me, because it's important to understand that you're responsible for your own choices. That's why we said this. I choose responsibility, and it's so important you take responsibility for yourself. Now, I had a great time at assembly, but I have a purpose. I don't want to be the one and done guy. You know what that means? Like one assembly and done forever. You never hear from me again. That's not my goal. My goal is to stay involved in your life. So I made some videos for you. Some of them are actually free. Have your teacher or your parents go to the choosewellprogram.com, and you can watch videos from me just about every week if you want to. I have a lot of videos teach you more things about choices. So I really hope your school can adopt the program where we can continue to teach you about choices. Because listen, I like making videos, and I hope you like watching the videos, because I want you to learn about choices. And we can do fun stuff like I choose not just responsibility, but kindness. Oh, we got some fun stuff for you. But check it out, choosewellprogram.com. And most importantly, never ever forget this beautiful face. Nah. Don't forget the message that when you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah. Hope to see you in a future video. Peace.